Love is a magical feeling. When you love, it means there is a special affection you have for someone that makes you think highly of them. You feel total safety with such a person. But here is the question. Is the love reciprocal? Is this person the right person for me? How will I know he is the one or not the one for me? This question always pops up in our minds, especially as ladies when it is time to choose a partner. Well, here is the good news in today's video. We bring answers to you as we show you 17 signs he's not the right guy for you. Number 1. If he doesn't want to spend time with you. He is not the one if he doesn't want to spend time with you, and he finds every excuse in the world not to. He comes across as if he has got more important things to do with his life. This is because he only wants you around for a booty call, but does not really want to be around for the real things in your relationship. Number 2. If he wants you to become someone you're not. If he tells you to change and become a different person because of him, and he forces you to change your personality to favor him. This is a big indication that you guys are not compatible. When he wants you to do whatever he wants without considering if you want it or not, then you know that if you continue, you will become a slave to him in your relationship. Number 3. If a guy does not value and respect your feelings and opinions. He is not the one for you if he does not value your feelings and opinions. If he doesn't appreciate it when you tell him what makes you sad, happy, or hurt. There are two things that happen in this case. Either he only cares about his emotions, or he does not care how you feel at all. No healthy relationship is built on the foundation of a partner who doesn't respect your feelings and opinions. Number 4. If he always tries to make decisions for you. It is not nice when a guy always tries to make decisions for you. If he wants to show off in front of his friends or family by doing too much for you, then it means he only cares about putting up a facade and he does not really care about your feelings at all. It means that his priority is what others think of him rather than what makes you happy. Number 5. If he's not honest with you. If a guy keeps telling lies to get out of trouble or hide things from you, then it means that he doesn't value the relationship at all. He might think it is okay to lie because you will never find out, but he is wrong. Whether you do or not, one day his lies will be exposed and you will feel a fool for not seeing through them earlier. If he's not honest with you with the little white lies, then you've got to suspect that there could be skeletons in his closet that he is not telling you about. Number 6. If he always tries to change your plans to suit his schedule. He would not be the right man for you if he always tries to change your plans so that they suit his schedule instead of being considerate towards your feelings. If you have made clear that something important matters a lot to you, then it should mean that he should try hard not to let you down. Number 7. If he's being secretive with his phone when you are around him. If he is guarding his phone when he is around you, he is sending the message that something is up. He might be texting other girls or even calling them on his phone. This is not good for your relationship, and you should speak up and tell him it bothers you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you agree with this list and which extra signs you'd include. Number 8. If he does not make you feel safe and secure. A man who truly loves you will never make you feel unsafe or insecure about your relationship. A guy who really wants to be with you will always try to keep your mind at ease by saying sweet things, complimenting you, and telling people if they disrespect you in any way, then they disrespect him too. Love means two people taking care of each other's feelings, thoughts, and opinions. Number 9. If he doesn't appreciate the effort you make. A man who does not appreciate your efforts in a relationship is not the one for you because no matter what, there must be equal appreciation on both sides, or else dissatisfaction may set in over time, leading to breakups. He should appreciate the effort you make to keep the relationship going and know that without it, nothing can survive. Number 10. If he doesn't treat your family and friends with respect. If your guy does not show respect and dignity towards your family and friends, then eventually he will start treating you this way as well. Hence, it is important that you choose a man who loves your family and friends as much as he loves you. If he doesn't, then remember that no amount of love can make up for his disrespect towards your loved ones. Number 11. If he tries to control everything with money. If your partner makes all the spending decisions without your input, he is trying to control the money and control you. He may say that it's for the good of the relationship, but the truth is that a guy who doesn't allow you to have a say in spending decisions definitely does not love you. Number 12. If he puts down your achievements and suggests another path for you. A man who is not interested in your ambitions or dreams is not worth it. He will make you feel like all your hard work and effort are wasted because he thinks that you could have done better if you followed his path. This might be tough to hear, but this guy doesn't respect you enough to give up on his ideas of what your life should be. Number 13. If he always puts his work before you. A man who lets his career come first and doesn't make any effort to plan dates or hang out with you is not the one for you. The right guy will not only make time in his busy schedule for you, but he will also try hard to make your relationship work, even if it means cutting down on his responsibilities. Number 14. If he puts you down or disrespects you in front of others. If your partner cannot respect you in front of others, then this is not a good sign. Not only will it make you feel embarrassed, but his lack of consideration for you will also affect how he treats you at home. Even if he's just trying to be funny, remember that some things are better kept between the two of you. Number 15. When the relationship is toxic. When your relationship starts to get aggressive, or when all you do is argue with each other, then this is a sign that this relationship isn't healthy and it's time to move on. A good relationship is full of trust, love, and respect for one another, not aggression and constant arguments. Number 16. If he isn't there to support you with your problems. A man who truly cares will always be there for you when you need him. If he isn't, then this could lead to problems in the relationship because your happiness is not a priority for him and his actions will show that. He will not be committed to the relationship if he doesn't want to listen to your problems. Number 17. If he prefers to be alone rather than spending time with you. Come on, ladies, if he truly loves you, then he should know that he needs to spend quality time with you. If he doesn't do anything about it because he prefers to be alone or spend time with friends rather than come home to you after a long day at work, then he is definitely not the one for you. We have discussed 17 signs that your significant other is not the one for you, which means it does not matter how long you have been with each other or how good-looking they are, because these things do not matter in a relationship if one partner does not treat the other half right. Make sure that all your relationships are healthy. Remember to love yourself first and foremost. It's difficult enough dating a man when he loves you, but it's much worse when he hasn't got your best interests at heart. You deserve better.